In this video, we are going to learn how you can add the request a quote feature in Dokan WordPress website. So let's get started. As you can see, we already have Dokan installed on our WordPress website. So let's take a look at the website quickly. As you can see, we're using a Blocksy theme, which has furnitures as products. So to enable the request a code feature, we will need to enable the module. And as you know, modules are available only in the paid version of Dokan. So if we go to the module section, you can see there are various modules available. And here's the request for quotation module. Now, if you want to get this feature, you cannot buy it separately. You have to buy either the business or the enterprise plan. That's how you can get request for quotation module. We will discuss the pricing at the end of this video, but for now, let's just continue with the tutorial. So we are going to enable this. And you can see the module has been enabled successfully. Now, as you enable it, you will find a new option over here, Request for Quotation. And also in the settings section, you'll find a new tab called the Quote Settings. From here, you can see there are some options and configurations. You can enable quote for out of stock products. So if a product is out of stock, your customers will still be able to add quotation or request for quote. You can also enable Ajax for add to quote, so that's always good to have. You can also redirect to quote page after a product is successfully added to quote. Also, there are other settings such as quote attribute settings. You can decrease offered price. You can enable convert to order. You can also enable quote converter display. For now, we're just going to keep these default settings, but you can tweak any of these settings if you want. And also take a look at the documentation if required. So let's go ahead and go to the RFQ settings, which is request for quote. Here, as you can see, you can add a new quote manually from here. You can add the quote title, you can add the quote user, full name, email address, company, phone number, and you can also add the shipping details. And finally, you can also select the vendor. After you create this, the quote list will be added over here. You can also create a quote rule from here. So if we go ahead and click on new quote rule, we can add a rule title such as quote basics. Now this is just a name that I inserted for just demonstration. Next, you can choose for which user role you want to enable the request a quote feature. So for the demonstration purpose, we're just going to choose the guests. You can also choose special B2B users, vendors, wholesale customers, or you can choose or create a new user role for the quote request features. So we're going to choose guests because I want to show you how this looks like in the front end. And you can also choose specific products. So for which products you want to enable the quote request for. We are going to apply it for all products. And next, there's a feature for hide price. So if you want to hide the price, so replace add to cart button with a quote request, or keep add to cart button and add a new quote button. You can choose from any of these two. If you have a wholesale website, you might want to remove the add to cart button, and instead of that, you can add a quote button. But we want to keep the add to cart button. We just want to add a new quote button there. All right. And finally, there's the custom button label. You can also choose what texts you want to display over here. So once it's done, you can simply click on publish. And now this rule is published. Now let's go ahead and see if this is working. Okay, so we logged out of our dashboard. Now let's go to the product section and let's go ahead and see. You can see the price is hidden over here because that was our choice. Now let's go ahead and try to order this modern chair. So if we click on it, you can see there's an add to cart option and also add to quote. So we can choose the number of products we want and click on add to quote. Now it's already added to our quote. Let's view our quote. And this is our quotation screen. So here we can make a request for quote. So let's go ahead and fill all these up. At the end, we can also add an additional message. I've written a simple message over here. Now let's click on this place quotation button and our quote has been requested. Now back in our WordPress admin dashboard, we can click on quotes list and we can find it over here. So our customer is over here. The status is pending vendor. We can see over here. Now if we click on edit, we can take a look at the details. You can also customize this offered price, the quantity, everything is customizable. And finally, you can approve the quote or reject it. It's up to you. We can also take a look at the additional message over here. Back in the vendor dashboard, if we click on the request quotes tab, we can see the quote over here. If we click on it, here we can see the details. Now that is how you can add request a quote feature to your Dokan website. Now, as you guys know, the Request a Quote feature is available through a module, and the modules are only available in the paid version of Dokan. So if we take a look at the modules page in the Dokan website, here is the Request for Quotation module. Now, we can already see that it's only available in the business and the enterprise plan. So let's take a look at the plans for Dokan. If we go to the pricing section, over here, we can see all the plans from Dokan. There's annual and lifetime plans available. Now, if you want to get Request for Quotation module, you have to get at least the business plan. With the enterprise plan, you get access to all the features, but with the business plan, you still get the Request a Quote module and most of Dokan's features. Now, it's normally available for $499 a year, but with a 40% discount for this Black Friday, you can get it for $299 per year. The enterprise plan is available for $999 a year, but with a 45% discount, you can get it for $549 a year. If we switch on to the lifetime plans, here you have to make only a one-time payment of $2,495 and you can get the business plan. And then you can get the enterprise plan for $4,995. Now with a 45% discount, you can get it for $1,372 and the enterprise plan is $2,247 with a 55% discount. So these were the business and enterprise plan for Dokan. That also brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.